Good morning everyone, respected sir, madam, teachers and my dear friend. My name is Bhagya Shri from grade 6. On this occasion of our independence, I am honored to speak about one of the bravest freedom fighter, Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was born as Manikarnika Tambe on 19th November 1828 in Varanasi. She popularly known as Mannu in her childhood. In a young age, she is courageous and learned squad fighting, martial arts and horse riding. She married Maharaj Gangadhar Rao, the king of Jhansi. Then she became known as Jhansi Rani Lakshmibai. Jhansi is an historical city located in the southern part of Uttar Pradesh. After his husband's death, the British tried to take control of Jhansi, but the great warrior queen refused to surrender. She is remembered for her great famous word, "I shall not surrender my Jhansi." In the revolt of 1854, she fought against the British to protect her Jhansi. She became the symbol of courage, determination and patriotism. She fought until her last beat to protect her Jhansi. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.